Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In previous video we have covered polyfill for map, filter, reduce, push, pop, and in today's video we are covering polyfill for shift and unshift. So let's see in VS Code. So before creating polyfill for shift and unshifts, like we need to understand how shift and unshift work. So let's see with the example. Here we have an array that have a value 1, 2, 3. Now we will apply shift on this array. Let result, we will store this result array dot shift, and now we'll console what result we'll get. Result will log result, and parallelly we'll log original array. So shift basically it will remove the first element from this array, and then it will return that removed element, and then it will modify the original array, and then it will we will get 2 3 here. So let's see. Yeah, so 1 we got because that element got removed, and original array is 2 3. So now we'll create the polyfill for the same. I'll comment it out. So here we will attach our custom method to this prototype, that is my shift. So this is function. This function will not take anything, and then we'll call it here result equal to array dot my shift, and then we'll console dot log result. We'll make a boilerplate code, and then we'll log original array. So now we have to write the logic inside this my shift function so that it can return first element as we saw here how shift work, and then that original array we will modify, and then it should give the result as a 2 3. So let's see. So we'll get first element, like we can access this array inside this function with this keyword. So we got the first element here, that is like we are removing this first element from this array, and now we can simply return this first element. Yeah, I mean our half of job is done. We are returning the same. So let's see. So here we got the removed element, so it will remove first element from this array. Then now we have to modify this original array. It's showing 1 2 3. So what we can do is we can write some for loop here, I, and then we can have this dot length. So now we have to move this second element to that first index, and then third element to the second index. So now simply we can write this logic, this of I minus 1. So here we have to give I is equal to 1, and then here we can assign this this of I. I'll tell you how this works. So let's see. Yeah, so here we got 2 3 3. So this 2 got shifted to this first, and then 3 got shifted to the second positions. So here we can do is this of length is equal to this of length minus 1. So we will decrease length by 1 so that this 3 will get disconnected from this array. So let's see. Yeah, so we got 1 as that element is removed, and 2 3 is a remaining array. So now we'll check it for different. So here I will give 9 10 6, any number I will give. So it should provide this output as a 9 for this result, and then array should be like a 10 6 1 2 3. So let's in console. Yeah, so we got the same output as expected. So now let's create a polyfill for unshift. So I'll comment out this code. So first I'll tell you how unshift works. So unshift basically it will add whatever the number we have provided, it will add from the front of array. So let's see with the example. So here we have array 1 2 3. Now I'll apply unshift here. Result equal to array.unshift, and then I'll provide here 4,5. So these two elements, so either we can pass single element or multiple elements. So let's see what output we'll get. It console.log, we will log the result, and then here console.log will log original array. So now this will return the length of the array after the modification, and then original array will get modified, and then 4 and 5 will get add, so in front of array. So let's create polyfill for this unshift. As of now, I'll comment out this code, and then same thing, we will add our custom method my unshift to this prototype, and then this is function, and this will take argument, so we will call it items. So it can take multiple arguments, so that's why we are spreading that item, so that we will get in array format. So now what we have to do here is we have to add 4, 5 in front of this array. So if you want to add in front of this array, so we have to shift this 1, 2, 3 positions based on how many arguments we are passing. So let's see. So first we'll calculate the total length of the array. Let total length of our array is equal to this dot length plus item dot length. So here we have length 3 for this original array, and then item we are passing, that is 2. So our final array should have length of 5. So we'll write one for loop for this, for some logic. So what we can do is we can shift this 3 at the 5th position, like 4th index, right? And then 2 as a 3rd index, 1 as a 2nd index, so that we will get a 1, a 0 and 1 index as the empty slot. So later we can push our code. So we can start it from total length minus 1. So this is like 4th index, or I mean we will start it from back. And then here we have our I is greater than or equal to 0 and I minus minus. So before that we will call it let result equal to array dot my unshift, and then we will pass 4 and 5. And then we'll console result, and then console dot log original array. Yeah, let's see. So now if we want to modify this original array, then what we have to do is this of total length, that is this is 4th index, because we are shifting to that right, and this is 4th index, means last index, is equal to this of I means, sorry, here we have to give I here, that is 4. So this of I, this is 4 minus items dot length. So currently we have items dot length is equal to 2. So this 2 item we are passing. So here this of I, so I we have 4 here, total length is equal like 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. This is 4 minus item dot length is equal to this is 2. Here we have 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and then this of 2 is this 3 number. So we are assigning this 3 number to this of 4th index. So let's see why we got undefined here. So finally here it will return the length of new array. So return total length. So this we got the 5, and that is correct, 5 output, and then here it already shifted, right, 1 to 3, and then we got 2 empty slot here, undefined, that is empty slot. it means we have shifted our array successfully. So now we can write one more for loop. We can have j here, and then item dot length, because we have to push this item from the front of this array. So now we can have this of j, that is 0th index, and then we can have items of j, that is first element. So let's see. Yeah, we got the output as expected. So here we got 5, that is total length of array, and then here we got 4 5 1 2 3, because and here we got 4 5 1 2 3. So we successfully shifted and added our like whatever the values we are passing in front of this array. So now we'll try to pass multiple array. So here we have 10 20, let's see. Yeah, here we got 7, and then 4 5 10 20 and 1 2 3. Even we can pass single element. Yeah, so we got 4 here, 1 2 3. So this is how like shift and my shift work under the hood. So we are accessing that shift and unshift directly from this array under the hood. So that method has logic something like this. So that's why we are getting a result like this. So we try to write the logic for this custom method, so that should exactly behave like a shift and unshift. So interviewer might ask you to write the polyfill for any method which is there in array. So I'm covering most of method. So you can check out my playlist. There I am like putting like polyfill for most of method. If you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel for support. So we'll see next polyfill video. Thank you.